How nice does that look? Look at those beautiful layers that just flow back into the hair. And look what happens. When I rake my fingers, you see these nice feathered layers here. But watch again, just pay close attention to what I'm doing and what's happening, okay? So I'm taking my fingers here and I'm raking back, and look what happens. Raking back. Okay, so the magic question, how do I get that? How do I get those feathered layers? How do I get that style? What do I have to do? Do I have to use 19 different shampoos and conditioners and 80 products and get a perm and do all sorts of crazy things to your hair? I need 90 brushes and 16 blow dryers? No, okay? Now that I'm calmed down, you don't need to do all that. What you need, look at this. What are these? They're beautiful hands, okay? This is all you need is a styling tool. This is it, your hand. And all you have to do, literally, and I know that I'm not trying to make it sound like it's that easy, but it is. You need the blow dryer. I sell this blow dryer on my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. Look at this, you can fold it for travel. It's ionic, it's beautiful, ready to go. I'm really, really lucky that so many people purchase these. So all you need to do, you see the blow dryer, while your hair is damp, while it's wet, whatever, squeeze the moisture out of it, get the moisture out. And all you need to do is with the blow dryer, rake your fingers back like this. That's it. The blow dryer is ready to go. I'm going to demonstrate how easy this is. Okay, watch. Now look, you can see what's happening? I'm setting this into place. All I'm doing is blow drying it back. And look, I'm using my fingers, that's it. And then, once you are done, you just go like this. Now, I know you're probably saying, oh, you make it look so easy. Why is it so easy? This is from, guess what? A haircut. You need to have the right haircut, okay? I say this a million times. If you want to have feathered layers, if you want to have this nice flow, you need to have the right haircut. And I have tutorials on this haircut already. You can even just search, men's layered haircut, The Salon Guy on YouTube, and you'll see it. But look how beautiful that is. Do you need products? Sure, you want to spray 25 spray in, you want to spray Tidal Wave, you want to that's going to help support it. But if you have the right hair texture, you have the right haircut, okay, all you really need to do is use the blow dryer and your fingers to rake it back, all right? Let me know if you found this video helpful. If you are interested in purchasing my blow dryer, you can get it at shop.thesalonguy.com and use code YouTube20. That's 20% off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.